Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again, Mabel. In today's video I want to make an hibiscus cream, skin repairing cream, which is very good for acne prone skin, eczema, psoriasis, other skin condition, white spots. It will also help get rid of stretch mark. Is an amazing cream which is also good for treating ringworm. So these are organic products. In today's video I'm adding honeydew melon, and melon, as we know, is high in vitamin C. In fact, vitamin C content is equivalent to the daily intake. And we know the benefit of vitamin C. It helps to lighten the skin. It's good for collagen production. It contains loads and loads of fiber, fat, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, antioxidant, beta carotene. It's very good. It also contains caffeine acid, something that has caffeine. Caffeine helps to stimulate blood circulation, which in turn gives you that rejuvenating cell regeneration skin, which means it helps to produce new cell. When you exfoliate or when you use this cream, it helps to get rid of any blemishes, any dryness, flaking skin, and give you that glowing appearance. This product, when you use it, it will help. It is vital for repairing and maintaining skin tissue. And you know that whatsoever thing you introduce on your skin, it goes into your bloodstream. So it's a very good cream. You have already started missing. Sorry, I did a video and it wasn't that clear. I deleted it, so I have to do it again. This is just a face/body hibiscus repairing cream, which is amazing to treat all kinds of skin conditions such as acne, ringworm, white spot, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, sunburn. Is an amazing cream with great feedback from it. I just want to sorry, I've got the oil, I've got the oil base, I've got the liquid base, and I've also got the powder base. This is the powder base, which is the powder mixture composed of so many powder: goat milk powder, sandalwood powder, I have the citric powder in it, I've got the vitamin C powder, I also have the papaya extract in it. I've got so many amazing powder which are organic and also help to lighten and also clear your skin, give you that glow, radiant, soft, smooth, amazing complexion. In the oil, I've got M oil. As you know, M oil is a very amazing oil. It absorbs quickly onto the skin. It's good for facial cream making, and also it's good. It doesn't clog the pores. I've got this safflower oil in it. It's an amazing oil. Safflower is excellent for balancing the sebum, the oily combination skin. Those with oily combination skin, excellent moisturizer for facial oil, suitable for all skin type. We've got the neem oil in it, which is, like I said, is an amazing treatment oil which helps to get rid of acne and get rid of all kind of skin like itch, if you got redness, green vein, if you got stretch mark from ash chemical as a result of using ash chemical on your skin. Those of you that are fond of using tube cream, you can't use tube cream on its own. You have to use a base cream. Mix it with a base cream. And those of you that are sending me email asking me to show you how to how can you send an email to me with picture attached to it and asking me to check if it is the original or Fair and White product. Guys, please stop this. This has to stop. And those of you that come to my WhatsApp and business line, it's strictly for business. It's not for Fair and White recommendation cream. Big company don't recommend cream for you. They make cream, they leave it out there for you to choose the one you want and use. They don't recommend cream to you. So don't take a piece and start coming on my website or my email, or leaving a message on my email or WhatsApp. You'll be surprised. The next time you'll be surprised, you'll be blocked. Please, I don't want to be rude, but stop doing this. Like I said, I'm based here in the UK. I don't stay in Dubai. I don't stay in Africa or Australia, Canada, US. Those of you asking me if where can you get fair and white product, come on, I don't live there. So please, let's respect each other. It's not nice you coming to ask about product, whereas you have already bought the product. You just want to hear me out or hear what I'm gonna say. You buy fake one, then you come and start asking me to help you differentiate between it. It's ridiculous. Please stop it, guys. This cream, like for those of you that have been sending me WhatsApp, please, I want you to that you want 4 or 5 shades lighter. I can. There is a law that governs cream making, skincare cream making, and you can't just add any kind of chemical to give you that defined complexion because you want it. I can't go above 3 shades lighter. And this cream is amazing for its treatment cream, which will help to repair your skin. For those of you that have suffered harsh chemical skin damage, it will help restore back and maintain your skin. It will give you that rejuvenating cell regeneration to help turn around your cell, your skin tissue, give you that glowing, amazing complexion. It is rich in vitamin. I got the DIY papaya and melon oil in it, which is an amazing melon oil. Honeydew melon is very rich in vitamin C, about 55% of it. And we know the benefit of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in collagen production. For those of you that don't know what collagen is a type of protein that helps strengthen skin cell and blood vessel. It also helps fight against the effect of aging, such as wrinkle, fine line, and also help to firm your skin. For those people that have saggy skin, it will help firm your skin. So you need this organic product to use. You also want to take something inside, like take loads and loads of these 5 a day fruits. Take loads and loads of water. For those of you that suffer from acne, that are prone to acne, try and take vitamin A. Vitamin A is amazing. This cream is fortified with vitamin A because it contains high beta carotene, which is a pro-vitamin A component. So it contains high nutrients. So it's an amazing cream that when you use it, you start seeing results quickly. This is a remainder from this is my exotic fruit juice, which consists of different kind of fruit. Like I said, I introduced one more fruit into this, which is the honeydew melon, and it has papaya in it, has kiwi and other exotic fruits. So I blended it, and this is the liquid for me. I've already started with the whole processing. So now I'm going to mix this powder, which is the last stage of it, inside, and then blend it again. Ensure your environment is clean. I just took off my gloves now, wash my hands. So this cream, I'm making it for a customer of mine that is very sensitive to this plant extract whitening powder. So I'm making this for her. So for you, those of you that want to make cream, you just don't make cream. You have to understand what you ask your clients questions, and ask them their skin type, ask them their skin routine, so that you understand them and know the kind of stuff you make for them. Like those that have sensitive skin, like plant extra whitening powder, like half butane, glutathione, and others have amazing whitening powder that when you use, you need to use. The recommended percentage is 2%. so between 1 to 2%. So when you add it into it, it should give you that effect that you want. And when you double boiling your powder, whitening powder, ensure that the water is not too hot, because when the water is too hot, it tends to reduce the potency of the effectiveness of that whitening powder. So you have to be very careful, and never you dilute with water. Use distilled water, which is amazing and very okay and safe and clean. So this is a cream is without any whitening powder. I've done this is our second order. The first order, she got amazing result from it, because she from her experience with whitening powder like the alpha arbutin, she suffer like her skin is very sensitive, her face especially is very sensitive. So you have to be careful. Make sure the ingredients you use are organic. I have licorice powder in it. I have my niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, which is an amazing lightening powder. I also have loads and loads of powder, which will help her glow and also give her that lightening boost that she wants. So I'll start off by blending. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll pause this video while I blend. So I've added the preservative. This is Fair and White So White brightening glycerin, so I'm just gonna add it in it. And this is vitamin E. So I now set this product on my website, so head over to my website and go get yours. It's an amazing product serum which you can add to your cream to help boost lightening. I'm not going to use this here because I know my client react to this, face react to this. Her body doesn't, but her face does, and so I'm not going to add it. So I'm just going to add my essential oil. Hibiscus flower is an amazing flower. It helps it helps with age spot, encourage an all-round fresher, younger, smoother looking complexion. The natural acid in it, that is the AHA, the alpha hydroxylic acid, is present in hibiscus flower, helps to purify your skin by breaking down dead skin. That is, it helps to exfoliate and control oily skin and also clog pores. Hence, increases cell turnaround, help to control acne breakout. So it's an amazing repairing flower which you can incorporate in your skincare for those of you that want to have that glowing complexion, repair your skin and get that radiant smooth skin. So the papaya, as we know, is good. It's a good source of vitamin A and papain. Papain is one of the secret beauty ingredients in papaya, which helps with skin lightening. So it helps. It also has alpha hydroxylic acid, which helps with the removal of dead skin cell, and it also hydrates and glow the skin. So papaya is an amazing it's an amazing fruit. I also have the honeydew melon, which is high in vitamin C, about 53% as said, which helps with collagen production, which is a vital component for repairing and maintaining skin tissue. It contains vitamin B, folic, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, fat. So it's an amazing, strong antioxidant. It contains beta carotene, that is a pro-vitamin A. So it's an amazing cream that when you use, trust me, within 7 days you start seeing results. Your ringworm will start drying off, your rashes, any acne will start drying up. It will stop the occurrence of acne, any breakout, any irritation. It's good for those of you that have chicken pox. So it's an amazing cream. And And this is the end product. It's an amazing cream. Oh my god, look at it. If you guys can see, it's such an amazing, it absorbs so nicely onto the skin. And it smells so good. It's an amazing cream. You can see. Such a good cream that also can help with your knuckle, dark knuckle. So like I said, you have to exfoliate for you to get an amazing cream, amazing skin. As you can see, it's such an amazing cream. It absorbs easily into the skin. So, and this is my transparent soap-free soap. It's an amazing soap that will help dry up ringworm, acne, all kind of skin condition or irritation. It helps to suit itchy skin, rashes. It's such an amazing soap-free soap. So head over to my website and go place your orders. It's cheap, and I'm doing an offer at the moment. Buy 2 get 1 free. So it's an amazing soap. This soap, when you use it, can last you if lather well. That is very foamy, so it will last you say 1 week. This one. So depending on how you use it excuse me, depending on how you use it, you use it morning and night to get the best result. It lasts you for 2 weeks, and it depends on how you use it. You just need little quantity of it because it foams very well. And this is lotion. This is the end product of the cream. So I'm just going to take a picture and put it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely weekend or have a nice day. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.